Hey everybody, it's Chris Harding. I am your Biology B teacher, and it's going to be a little different. At the beginning of this trimester, I will actually be gone for the first 2 weeks. And so instead, you're going to see my face on the screen, and then you get to enjoy the subs that we'll have this week. So just wanted to introduce myself and kind of give you familiar with what's going to happen with the Canvas and how you'll kind of go about your day-to-day schedule and your routine. So first off, this is what our course looks like in Canvas. Okay. When you open this puppy up, currently right now we've got 2 modules, right? So when it comes to these modules, the first one is just a little introductory to myself, which I'll get into here in a minute. And then the second one is the disclosure. And same thing, we'll be talking about this. This just adds like important key information that is probably the most, influential when it comes to your grade. And then here is contact information to get a hold of me, email or through the Remind app. Anyways, to back this puppy up, let's go to the second module. This is probably the one you're going to be using every day here really till the end of the trimester. And it's just the daily schedule. It's where I'll be posting what you're doing for that day. And then you can kind of get an idea of upcoming tests or labs. Especially in the spring, there's probably a lot of you that are doing spring sports. And where we are at the end of the day, I'm assuming you'll probably be missing for things like that. So please make sure you are checking Canvas, and it just tells you what's going on day to day. Okay. All right, so let's get you started with what's happening today. First off, I want to introduce myself, and then I want to have you introduce yourself to me. And really, the subs are going to be having this week. You're going to be seeing them, like I said, for the next 2 weeks. And so we've got Miss Jepson, and we've got Mr. Peck, and then we've got Miss Robinson. So 3 awesome people. So they can get to know you as well as I'll be able to get to know you when I get back. Anyway, so when I read here, we're just going to have you create your own introductory page. But first, I'll show you what mine looks like. I have got 4 kids, none of them in high school yet. So this is my oldest right here. His name is Landon. He's in 8th grade. And then you come over to this guy. And this is Hunter. He's in 5th grade. And I've got 1 girl, Bricky. She's in 2nd grade. And then there's my baby, my 2-year-old. Okay? Which, he'll be 3 by the time I get back from our trip. Here's my hot hubby. His name is Joe. Anyways, we're major outdoors people. We love sports. I'm a huge fan of the beach, but I think our family probably loves the mountains the most. Which is perfect of why we live here in Brickham. So anyways, I have been here for 18 years. So I probably have taught some of your siblings or older friends. I've been around the block. I'm the volleyball coach here at the high school, have been for a while as well. You can probably see some of your classmates that's in with you right now are in this cute little picture. Oh, there's one of them right there. There's another one. Anyway, so I love volleyball. It's definitely my passion, as well as just sports in general. Huge Box Elder fan. It's part of the reason why I've been here for 18 years. I love it. You guys are really, really lucky to be in such a great school. So this was, and hopefully you can tell by people's faces, this isn't normal looks, right? Oh, I guess that's not too scary. But back here, this was the Host a Haunted House that we did. And so moving on down, I currently mainly teach medical forensics, which is usually a junior-senior course. And so I haven't had sophomores for a while, so it'll be nice to kind of get to the younger class kids. So where am I going? Joe and I are taking off. We're going to go to Scotland. So we'll be there for, like I said, for 2 weeks. This is one of the castles we're going to visit, and I am pumped to go see it. Anyway, so that's me in a nutshell. And what I'm going to ask you guys to do is kind of create your own little bio page. So we'll back this up and look at the rest of the assignment. All right, so you'll create your own bio sheet. We'll click here for the assignment. Okay, and I think this movie is absolutely hilarious, but another time, another moment, we'll talk about it. So creating your own page, and what I need you guys to do is tell me 5 facts about you. And these 5 facts can be, really anything. I have some sample questions if maybe that kind of gets your thought process rolling of things that I would love to know about you. Now, with the facts, I want to see pictures. And these can be pictures of you, or they can be anything you just pull off the web. So I don't necessarily care, whatever you'd like to do there. you're just going to input it directly into the assignment, or you can put it on a Google Doc, whatever you like to do, and then you'll just put it right here on Canvas. So tell me about you. Keep it clean, keep it school appropriate, or I won't be able to grade it, right? But I would love like the most intriguing things about you, or even just what you like to do in your downtime. Okay? All right, so this will be worth 20 points, and I do need you to get this done today. That is your class period to focus on this. So everybody will grab a Chromebook, and you get started on it. All right, good luck.